Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on an iPad with a PlayStation 5 controller. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 controller is fully charged for a seamless connection. Then, open your iPad settings and turn on Bluetooth. Hold down both the Share button and the PlayStation button on your controller simultaneously until its light bar begins to flash rapidly. Your iPad should then discover the controller as DualSense wireless controller, ready for pairing. Once your controller is paired with your iPad, launch the Brawl Stars application. Inside the game, locate the settings menu. You can usually find this by tapping the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Within the settings, look for a section dedicated to controls or gamepad. While Brawl Stars generally offers automatic recognition, it is good to confirm your controller inputs are registered correctly here. This ensures smooth, responsive gameplay. To truly master Brawl Stars with your new setup, take some time to fine-tune your experience. Jump into a friendly game or a bot match to test the controller's responsiveness and overall feel. Experiment with the in-game sensitivity settings until character movements and aim feel natural and precise for you. If the default button layout does not quite suit your preferences, explore the custom control options to create a more personalized and comfortable gaming environment. Practice makes perfect, and comfort is key. Occasionally, you might encounter minor connection issues, but most are simple to resolve. If your controller disconnects, first try turning off and on your iPad's Bluetooth, or even restart both devices. Ensure no other strong Bluetooth signals are nearby, as they can sometimes interfere with the connection. Keeping your iPad's operating system updated to its latest version is also crucial for maintaining excellent controller compatibility and performance. With these tips, your gameplay should remain smooth and uninterrupted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.